I got these 5 metallic bookmark with such inspirational words that I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. And they also have attached a string with a cross at the end. I've never had anything so beautiful, and the words just touch me a lot. Different encouraging Bible verses, and these Christian bookmarks can not only add a decorative touch to my books, it can also give me support and encouragement. Like this one, I will not be shaken. Absolutely love it. I love how simple and delicate they are, and you can use it for women, for men, anyone. And I also like the cross pendant that is attached to it, like a tassel. I also love the fact that it's made out of good quality stainless steel, so this will never ever spoil, and it will never get rusted or deformed, and it's smooth to the touch. Absolutely gorgeous. So I love this, and I love that it doesn't scratch, and I can always find wherever I put it in my book.